Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So we have another stitch tutorial today. This one is going to be our half double crochet V-stitch. So a lot of you have asked me different textures for blankets or cardigans or things like that. So the half double crochet V-stitch is one of my favorites. It's really pretty. It's really airy without being too holey, if that makes sense. It's light, it's cozy, but it still is a little bit dense to where it'll keep you warm-ish, but not sweating. So I'm really excited to show you guys this one. I'm gonna grab my hook and my yarn and let's get started. Hi friends, real quick, when you click the link below and join Happily Hooked today, not only are you gaining access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also going to get these ergonomic hooks that I use every single day, and this project bag that I am obsessed with. So make sure you click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community.
All right, we are back. Today I am showing you guys how to do the half double crochet V-stitch. So the V-stitch is a really pretty fun texture. I love it. But this half double crochet V-stitch is so tiny and creates almost like these little flowers, and I am obsessed with it. So this one is super easy and super fun. So we're just gonna grab our yarn, and we're using the big twist value like we normally do, and a 5mm hook, and this is just in the color soft purple. So for this one, we're just going to make our slip knot, and we're going to chain in an even number, however big you want it to be. So I did 14, and then we're going to half double crochet in the 4th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to half double crochet here, and then we're going to skip a chain, and we're going to put 2 half double crochets in the next one. And then we're going to skip a chain, and we're going to put 2 in the next. And then skip and put 2. And skip and put 2. And then skip and just do 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. So this is what your first row looks like. And then you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. And then in between the half double crochet clusters, so the 2, we're not going to put a stitch in the first one. We're going to go in between, which is kind of tricky with these half double crochets. So you might want to like pinch them a little bit and kind of pull them apart. And we're just going to put 2 half double crochets in between each section that we did below. So there's 2 in this one, and then here are 2 more half double crochets, and we just go right in the middle of those and put 2 more half double crochets. And then 2 in the middle of that group. And 2 in the middle of this one. And then 1 half double crochet on the end. And then we chain 2 and we turn it around. And we just keep repeating. So now we're going to put 2 in the middle of this one. And 2 in the middle of this one. And then 1 half double crochet in the top of that chain 2. And we turn it around, and this is what it looks like. So it starts creating those little flowers every time. I call them flowers. I know they're V-stitches, but they look like little flowers to me. And those start creating themselves as you keep going. And see? And that's what it looks like. And then you can just keep doing this as tall as you want it, as big as you want it. Just make sure you start with an even number. And it looks the same on both sides. It looks the same here and then here. I'm pulling on it a little bit so you can kind of see the definition. Not pulling on it. But yeah. So I hope this helps. I hope you guys like this stitch. If you've made it before, let me know what you used it in the last time you made it. I think it's really pretty. And yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave those below. And if not, I will see you in the next video. Bye!